Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use Deepseek in N8N. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open out the official Deepseek website right here at deepseek.com if you have not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by the main page right here where we can get started logging in, registering, and so on. So guys, you'll be able to use it in N8N. We're going to need an account, so what you can do is click the start now button right here. That's going to enable you to go ahead and register for an account if you do not already have one, and if you have one you can just go ahead and log in right here normally and get started. So now we have an account and we can get started integrating it into N8N, and what we can find is this article right here that we can follow how to integrate it into N8N. So basically guys, we are going to follow the steps right here. You can go and find the article for yourself if you need it to take a look at how to integrate. Basically, we're going to open up N8N, go to settings, community nodes, and then you're going to click install a community node. From there guys, you're going to go ahead and enter in the package name right here that you can see, select the checkbox that you understand the risk, and click the install button. So you have everything explained right here. After that, you can go ahead and create the credentials, configure the credentials, everything according to your liking. You can use API keys. So basically guys, here on the main page in the upper right corner you have the API platform where you can make your API keys in the dashboard at the left side screen. You can create new API keys that you can use, and then you can add them to N8N for automations. You can follow the rest of the steps right here, such as adding triggers and so on, everything that you need. But basically this is how to get started using your API keys and N8N. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.